Hi, my name's Andrea, and in this really short video we'll talk about, does age matter when making wills and powers of attorney? Well, no, absolutely not. So anybody over the age of 18 can make a will. If you've got property, if you've got any money, if you've got children, certainly, and even if all you have is a prized item that you belong in, that you want to go to a certain person, all those reasons mean that you need to do a will, because your will sets in place what you want to happen when you're no longer here. With regard to powers of attorney, people often think of these as being something that perhaps older people or people who may have illnesses, particularly things like dementia. That's what people associate powers of attorney with. But everybody over the age of 18 should have a power of attorney. Even if you think of young people perhaps going away to university for the first time when they're 18, if that person becomes ill, has an accident, has a mental health wobble, and they're adults then in their own right, and their parents can't do anything to help them with regard to health matters, with regard to loans or grants or benefits that they might be able to claim, or bills that might need paying. So even young adults need powers of attorney. Now, the financial power of attorney, when you take that out, you do have an option that it can be used when it's registered, which takes about 4 months. It's not rather than. Now, the property and financial power of attorney, when you take that out, you have an option that it can be used as soon as it's registered, which is in about 4 months from when we see you. And you might initially think, well, why would I need it if I haven't lost capacity, if I've not got dementia, if I'm not on a life support machine? There can be many times in our life when we've not lost capacity, but we might need help. So say, for example, someone is newly bereaved, someone is elderly, somebody is under the weather, they're in hospital having a hip replacement, or they're away on holiday. Oh, I already said that. Under those circumstances, you might need people to be able to just deal with financial matters for you, and having that power of attorney in place, it can be absolutely vital. Come to us and we'll make an appointment for you and talk it through. Thank you.